Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring you have administrator rights. This avoids permission denials when modifying system files. Next, temporarily disable antivirus and installer guards so they don't block execution. Make sure to re-enable later. Verify the Setup.exe file. Check its digital signature and file size to confirm it isn't corrupted. Once done, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to start. This immediate action eliminates common permission errors and lets you proceed into diagnostic steps. Now you'll dig into diagnostics to find the root cause. Open Event Viewer and the installer's log to capture error codes and file paths. This tells you whether it's missing DLLs, access issues, or corruption. Run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and then dism to repair component store problems. These commands restore critical Windows files that installers rely on. If errors persist, reboot into Clean Boot or Safe Mode to isolate third-party conflicts, and retry the installer to confirm the culprit. Finish by installing or repairing prerequisites like Visual C++ redistributables, NET frameworks, and any pending Windows updates. Installers often fail when dependencies are missing. If needed, change compatibility mode or extract Setup.exe contents with 7-zip and run the MSI directly to bypass wrapper issues. Once installed, restore antivirus and normal startup. If problems continue, capture the exact error code and test the same installer on another machine. This single troubleshooting tip quickly distinguishes installer issues from your system's faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.